Welcome back to Lake District Audi. It's my pleasure today to be able to show you a special car that's just arrived with us. Now, we showed this car and its transportation covers this week, and we showed you the interior, which was red. So we asked you to guess what the exterior colour was, and now we can reveal the vehicle to you. It's in our showroom, and we'll welcome you down to have a look. So come and have a look with me. I ordered this car very specifically 4 months ago, which has now arrived, which is the R8 Performance Carbon Black Edition. And that's in Daytona Grey with express red sport seats, leather interior. So the sport seats in this car replace the bucket seats, which become a bit impractical. The sport seats still hug you, but they're a little bit more usable and get in and out a bit easier. But I'm sure you agree that the Daytona Grey with the express red leather looks absolutely amazing. And then the carbon detailing that the carbon black model gives you on the front diffuser, the rear diffuser, the spoiler, and the interior and the engine bay around that beautiful V10 engine, which is becoming a real dying breed. So this is an opportunity to own a car straight away. This car is available, and now what we're finding is with electrification coming into the motor industry, V10 engines are very, very rare indeed, and this car is truly special. So if you're in the market for a supercar, a modern day supercar, certainly contact us, contact a member of the team. We've got a vehicle that you can test drive, which is the R8 Spider, which we still have available as well. Come down and see us and experience what is a truly, truly iconic and amazing vehicle.